thank you for joining us for the Lenovo Legion Tab 8.8 Teardown video, part of the Tech Insights Teardown video series. Lenovo announced a number of devices for its Legion gaming product family at CES 2025 this year, including the Gen 3 Lenovo Legion Tab 8.8 gaming-focused tablet. The new Legion Tab 8.8 release is just a short 5 months after Lenovo released the Legion Tab 8 Gen 2 back in August of 2024. In general, tablet devices have always supported and even promoted gameplay, but Lenovo is one of a few OEMs with gaming-focused tablets and has released several tablets as part of Lenovo's Legion gaming device product family. Coincidentally, the new Legion Tab Gen 3 display subsystem is almost the exact same size as the entire Legion Tab Gen 2 tablet from August. The newer Legion Tab display subsystem measures 204.97 millimeters by 125.95 millimeters and has a thickness of 2.9 millimeters. The display subsystem weighs 97.1 grams. As for the panel dimensions, we measured 196.51 millimeters by 122.33 millimeters. The larger display, of course, gives the new tab the 0.8-inch larger display view size. Tech Insights is the leading source in teardowns of consumer and automotive electronics. We follow a systematic and comprehensive approach for all of our teardown analysis to uncover valuable information about each device's design, function, and performance. As a subscriber, you have access to thousands of electronic devices on our platform, as well as up-to-date views of upcoming teardowns on our roadmaps.